Welcome to Module 1, Lesson 1 of our exciting journey into the world of nutrition, specifically tailored for understanding the foundational principles that can significantly impact children's health and development. Today, we're diving deep into the basics, but with a twist. Let's start things off with a little challenge, a quick quiz to reshape what we believe about nutrition. Now here's a question for you. Can you guess which common foods are actually the healthier choices for your kids? As you ponder this, remember, nutrition isn't always as it appears on the surface. As we embark on this lesson, our primary goal is to uncover why balanced diets are pivotal for growing children. What are these mysterious elements that build the foundation of a balanced diet? They go by the names: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Each one plays a significant role in a child's development, affecting everything from brain growth and energy to the immune system's robustness. Throughout this module, we'll break down these components using video tutorials that simplify complex nutritional science into digestible concepts. We're using animated infographics that vividly show how these nutrients influence various facets of health. For instance, have you ever thought about how a plate of food can fuel active play or boost concentration at school? Carbohydrates act as the body's primary energy source, while proteins are the building blocks of muscles and tissues. Fats aren't merely carriers of calories, they are vital for brain health and hormone production. Moreover, vitamins and minerals, though needed in smaller amounts, are crucial for growth and disease prevention. To solidify our understanding, we'll engage in some hands-on activities. Imagine crafting a weekly meal plan for a hypothetical child. With access to a comprehensive database of foods and their nutritional profiles, you'll get to creatively balance meals, meeting all nutritional needs while sparking interest at the dining table. Ever been puzzled by food labels in the grocery store? We'll also cover strategies to easily decipher them. You'll learn to identify truly nutritious foods versus those masquerading as healthy but packed with added sugars or unhealthy fats. Moving on to the inspirational part of our lesson, we will explore real-world case studies. You will hear stories of families who have made the transition to healthier eating and see the positive changes they've experienced. These stories will highlight common challenges and show that transformation doesn't happen overnight, but is incredibly rewarding. By the conclusion of this module, you're not just gaining insight, you're mastering the basics of nutrition, skills you can apply directly to nurture healthier meals in your own home. Excited for what's next? In our upcoming module, we'll take the knowledge we've gathered today and explore how to make informed and healthier food choices in everyday settings. We'll make sure that a balanced diet isn't just a concept, but a tangible practice. So get ready, because this is just the first step in empowering your family's health journey. Stay tuned and happy learning.